I want to show you how to play Gentle on My Mind, as it's sung by Glen Campbell. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction for this, because the introduction kind of sets up the harmony. You've got E flat and a chord. Now they've got a guitar. They've got a guitar and a banjo going, but it's E flat. Now when we add the D there, we're making an E flat major 7th. And then when you add the C, we're making an E flat with an added 6th. And then when we go to the B flat, we're still in the E flat chord. So we keep the E flat in the right hand. There's that E flat major 7th. Then the E flat plus 6. So we're doing it twice. We're just walking down the bass line. E flat, D, C, B flat. In the right hand, I'll roll the chord the first time to give that rolling sound. Then I play it. So we'll play it twice on each note. And then I'll roll it again when we come back to the E flat. Now that last B flat I don't play a chord on, and I let it go because I go up and start the melody. And the key is don't get in a hurry on that introduction. Keep it slow and easy going right there. Then let's get the melody. So you've got different rhythms, but it's the same melody all the way through. But you got a B flat. So you got bum ba da dee da dee, back to B flat, down to G, back to B. C, B flat, G, F, E flat, F. And then the melody goes on G, A flat, F, A flat. Back and forth. Now that first time the rhythm is, see, it has a sleeping bag right there. So the A flat, second A flat is short on that. And then we have a 2-note pickup, G, A flat, B flat. Then he plays back and forth, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat. Ends with B flat, C, B flat, G, F, E flat, F. Then G, A flat. So there's a G, A flat, F, A flat, and then back to F again. So you got a long, short all the way through. Long, 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 short, long, 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 short. So you've got that kind of thing going on, but you've got G, A flat. And that last little gentle is G, E flat, G, F, E flat. Now the trick to this one is that he changes the melody, the rhythmic structure of the melody each time he plays it. So if I put the hands together, now I didn't show you the other part of the harmonics, so we'll get that as we go here. Here's the intro. Now the bass keeps going with that. Then we go to an F, E, F, F, E, E flat, E flat, D. And we're going to do the same thing with an F minor chord. F, F minor chord. Then we go F. so we go to an F minor with a major seventh right there. When we get that E in there, then we go to an F7. See, your F major seventh, F minor with a major seventh is, and then the major with a regular seventh, minor seventh is right there, and then we go to a D. So we're adding the 6. So we're going from, that's a harmonic structure, but you keep that basic F minor sound going right there. And when we go to this B flat, we're going to a B flat 7 sound with this added 6 in there. Back to the E flat, and that'll get us back to the E flat chord. So if we go slowly there, so you can see, and then we're back to the E flat, and then I just put that, fill that with the E flat chord that we had from the intro. Then we do it again. Now this time we change it. Then we play back and forth between the B flat and the G. So it's same left hand though. Now see, that time, the first time you go E flat, D, C, B flat, F, E, E flat, D, then F, E, E flat, B flat, back to E flat, D, C, B flat. But this time we put an extra thing in there. F, E, E flat, D. Now this time we go F, E, E flat, B flat, F, B flat, E flat. So there's an extended line on the back roads of the memory. So we down to the B flat, back to the F, down to the E, B flat. Now this rhythm is going to be different on this line. And he puts two notes to fit the words right there. But the only short note on that is that first B flat. And then they're all long notes right there. And then the second rhythm is, the second line is a little change down to the F right there. Two notes on the end of it. So it's D, A flat, F, A flat, B flat, G, F, E flat, E flat, G, G. Now this one we're going to change to the so is the way that line ends. And then we end it very similar to what we did before. It's similar to what we did before. Now the third verse, he does a couple of things with it. The first line goes, and we shorten that. We shorten that note and then come back with it. So you've got ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 dee dee da 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 da, and then the second line is like that too. He goes da da dee 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 da dee 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 da 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 dee. So you got da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 da. So he changes it a little bit rhythmically, which may mess you up until you can internalize it. So the third verse will sound like this. So this third line changes a little bit on the third verse too. Of the third verse will get the same feeling for both phrases. And then it ends regular. Now the fourth verse, you got to play some of the same rhythms we've had before, but they interchange a little bit differently. And the first line is going to end with two F's. And then the second line is going to have a short A flat on the second A flat that you hit. And then you're going to have a pause after that first line. Then we've got... So it's very similar, but just little wrinkles that he throws in the melody. Right there is the first thing I do with the bass is bum bum bum, and then I let the chords take over. And I roll the last chord. So I play it twice, just like the intro, and then I let the chords take over and roll the last chord. There you have it. Gentle on My Mind by Glen Campbell. Hope you enjoy playing it.